Welcome back to a new video. Today, I'll be discussing the back-to-school time. I'll also show you how to create illustrations for this season using Illustrate AI from DesignBundles. Back to school refers to the period when students and educators return to their schools or campuses after a summer break. It's a time marked by the purchase of new school supplies, clothing, and other items necessary for the academic year. Here is a list of back-to-school ideas that you can use to generate illustrations for the upcoming academic season. Additionally, I have compiled another list filled with even more creative ideas for you to explore. On the left side of the screen, you can see the art style I've utilized as well as the prompt I used. Meanwhile, on the right side, you'll find the image that was generated using Illustrate AI from DesignBundles.